kan jeg byde velkommen til dagens gæst. Jeg har glædet mig, mine damer og herrer. Tag godt imod. Welcome to you, Mr. President. Wow. Welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're going to the both extra show and the show with Andreas.
Well, I'm going to the show, and when I get there,
Yes.
I'm going to stay, and I'm going to make the town great again.
That doesn't sound democratic. You're going to take over Horsens. Horsens.
Well, that's new American democracy.
Yes.
We've seen it. It's ours.
Yes, that's what you say.
Actually, I'm also going to take over the studio.
Now?
You can leave now.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. This is beautiful hair, and these are the hard news. And they're not fake news.